National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 6 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Old Halfway, or 17 miles southwest of Toms River, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Barna Gate, Beechwood, Presidential Lakes Estates, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Surf City, Holiday City South, Pleasant Plains, Warm Grove, Chatsworth, Dover Beaches South, Presidential Lakes, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Brookville, Pine Ridge at Crestwood, and Old Halfway. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 62 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean,